Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing good. So I just relocated to a new place and so thought of setting up this setup a little bit. And I just added a couple of cars here. I hope you guys can see a little bit here. And I'm really sorry I'm not able to do video in the past 1 week because I was not well for nearly more than a week. And uh, luckily this week I'm a bit better. So I so a lot of people are asking about my setup, how I am doing this video and how I set this setup. So actually, there are a lot more cars in this particular view. You are just seeing only uh, like 20% of it, I guess. That's it, because there is a lot more on this side, on top also. So I will be doing a separate setup video and how I am taking this video as well. So it's very simple setup, so anyone can do it. So that's how I started, if you guys are following me from the start. So I will do a separate video on this maybe this week or next week. Within this 2 weeks I will do that for you guys. So with that said, after this, I think Q case, if I'm not wrong, we didn't get anything in Chennai. So a lot of people are asking me where I'm buying this, where I'm buying this. So to be very honest with you guys, I'm not buying anything in the shop nowadays. One of my friend used to help me out, but he also stopped calling me. It's been more than a month and a half now. After I got the Q case from him, no, I didn't receive any call or anything from at all. So what I'm doing now is I just have like couple of leftovers from Q case, which are the main ones. Like a lot of you guys are asking about that. So we will be unboxing that this week. On top of that, I will be unboxing the 2023 cars. Couple for this week, and the whole second week is going to be full of 2023 cars, and upcoming weeks as well. So, and one more thing would be, I'm planning to add one premium per week. Like end of every week, it is going to be a premium week. So maybe not these 2 weeks, but after that I will be planning that, because I bought a lot of premium cars, and a lot I didn't even touch for more than 2 years now. I didn't even open the wrapper at all. So even this last week I bought more than, like, I think 15 or 20 premium brand cars. I'm not talking about Hot Wheels premium. So some people are really interested in that, and they want me to unbox Mini GT, Pop Race, and other brands as well. So I'm planning in that way, like, 5 days are going to be like Hot Wheels and Matchbox, something like that, and sixth day is going to be a premium. So okay, with that said, let's start this week. Let's start with this one. So this is Aston Martin Vantage GTE. So I don't know if I unbox this. I I do remember unboxing this from a 5 pack, if I'm not wrong. So this one is from 2023. You can see here 149 rupees. So 2023 card, and so someone is asking me to do a lot of bikes. So I got one more here, a Honda Super Cup. I don't know if I unboxed this before. I did unbox some Honda Treasure Hunt some time back. I don't know if it is the same thing. I totally forgot right now. So this is also 2023 card. It's 149, which I bought at that time. Yeah. So okay, this one is 2024 car, I guess. Yeah, because I took this from my old lot. So because it says 179, so from 2020 2024, I think we got 179, right? So this is a 2024 card. Okay, so here's the next one. So you guys remember we unboxed this casting multiple times in literally all the colors so far which was released, at least after I started the channel. So we will be unboxing this as well. So a lot of people actually like this casting. Even I do like this casting. So it has all the necessary details and it looks really beautiful. Whatever colors they released so far, everything looked really nice. So I'm hoping the same on this one as well. So I'm hoping for a glittery blue. So we need to open and see whether it's actually a glittery blue or just a glossy blue. Okay, another. This is my personal favorite, a Shelby GT500. So see, this particular Benz which I showed you guys, this one are from Q case. These are 179 per piece. Okay, the last one. This was only one in the box. I was fortunate to get this one at the time, the Bentley Continental GT3. So I really wanted to unbox this last time itself, but again I missed that whole week. So we will be unboxing all these things by this week. So first of all, thanks for the support, guys. Specifically in the past week, whoever watched my videos or subscribed to me newly, and whoever took their time to revert to my post. So thank you for thank you to all of you guys. So yeah, stay tuned guys. I'm planning to do a giveaway soon. So just because of the shifting process and everything, I didn't do anything so far. So I need to, maybe we are close to, I think, 7K subscribers. We reached 6K subscribers recently. I wanted to do the giveaway on 6K, but I missed that week because of shifting and not well. Lot of things were going on at that time, so I totally missed that out. So I will be doing a giveaway, video soon, and if possible, a sale video as well. So that depends on what I am planning to sell. A lot of people are asking for Instagram, WhatsApp, and everywhere on the sale, second sale video. So I am planning to, I need to see what I'm having either extra or what I'm planning to let go. But again, it is going to be MRP sale only if it is a Hot Wheels and Matchbox. So usually other brands I won't sell, and because those are for my personal collection. So Hot Wheels and Matchbox, anyway we will get it. Or I'm not really that much concerned on these two brands, to be very honest, compared to literally every other brand. But I know a lot of people, you guys, love Hot Wheels and Matchbox more than me, to be honest. So for that sake, I am doing another sale video, maybe mid of December or end of December. Depends upon when I'm taking all the cars out of the box and segregating it with what I'm having, what I'm planning to let it go. So you will know it soon. First a giveaway and then a sale video. Both are coming soon. So stay tuned for that as well. And as usual, thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day. Goodbye.